Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Evans. I am a full stack software developer. I have a first degree in computer science and a master's degree in data science. I have experience with C# and ASP.NET. I also have experience with Java, but my primary language for development is Python since 2016. So to introduce my channel to you, this playlist, Python Django tutorial building web app, I'm going to be teaching on how to build an advanced and dynamic web application using Django and Python for the backend and HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript for the front end. For our JavaScript, we will use both Vanilla.js and jQuery. And then we will host this application on AWS, Azure, and Python Anywhere, so you know how to host on 3 different platforms. Now, on this tutorial series, I'll be teaching you how to build an application that has the functionalities of Booking.com, Airbnb, and Uber. So individuals and hotels can register on this platform and then list their rooms or their hotels, while users can log in, create their accounts, and then book for rooms just the way it's done on Booking.com and Airbnb. Drivers can also register on the platform, list their vehicles, and then users can also book for ride. So on this tutorial, we'll also create dashboard for analytics. It will have payments configuration. We'll use Stripe, and maybe we'll just go with Stripe or PayPal. And then we'll integrate email system, or you will learn authorization and authentication, token verification, profile management, integration of location-based services. You learn how to perform CRUD operations, many-to-many relationship, one-to-many relationship. You learn classes, functions. I'm also going to teach on tax module implementation. You learn Ajax programming, orders, Git, and version control. So this is a full-blown web-based application that you can learn how to develop web application. So it's both beginner friendly and also has advanced features. So no matter your level, whether you're a complete novice or you have some experience with Python and Django, this tutorial is for you. Now on this second playlist, we'll still be using Python and Django for our backend, but instead of HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, we're gonna be using React.js, which is one of the most in-demand, most versatile, and most widely used front-end technologies for development today. Now, for this playlist, we will start out by building a basic employee record management system, which is going to introduce you to the tech stack. So I don't just want to jump into building an advanced learning management system. Rather, we will build an employee record management system with React.js front end, Python and Django for the back end, and also you learn how to build APIs. So when we're done with this application, we will now go forward and start building our e-learning management system. Now, we will also build the desktop version of this application using React.js for the front end, Python and Django for the back end, and then we'll also use Electron. While for the mobile version of this application, we'll use React Native for the front end, Python and Django for the back end. And then our database for the both tutorial series is gonna be Postgres. Now, but I'll also teach you how to integrate these applications with MySQL and also SQLite 3, so you know how to work with different databases. For this application, the hosting is gonna be on AWS and Azure, Maybe I'm also gonna show you how to host on DigitalOcean. Now this tutorial will be very advanced, but beginners can also follow along because I will make my teaching style very simple for you to understand. This application will have both features for learners and for instructors as well. So instructors can upload their videos, while learners can go in there, learn, have access to the instructors, ask questions, and so on. Just the way it's done on Udemy or Coursera. You will learn authorization, you will learn authentication, you will learn model serializers, you will learn APIs, how to build APIs. Will include notification system. We'll also have admin dashboard for both learners and for instructors. You will learn Git and version control, and you also learn how to host. Now, this application that I'm going to teach you how to build, it's one of its kind on the internet or any other school. There is no single course that teaches how to build web, desktop, and mobile application currently on the internet. So you would use the same source code for your web based version of this application, the same source code for the desktop version, and the same source code for the mobile version. Yeah. And now the last playlist, I just named this utility lessons. So on this playlist, I will be teaching Python syntax, how to build console application for absolute beginners to learn Python syntax. I will also teach how to build desktop applications with PyQt and PySide. And then maybe I will also teach desktop application development with Kinta, which are all frameworks in Python. I will teach SQL, and I will also teach analytics. So this playlist is more like utility, where I will teach these stuffs. Now, for absolute beginners, you should watch this playlist and then choose one between this or this playlist to learn. You can decide to learn this tech stack, which is Python, Django, Bootstrap, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Or you can decide to learn this tech stack, which is Python, Django, React.js. Now, even without learning this, you can become a full stack developer learning only this or this one. However, when you learn these videos on these utility lessons, it's gonna make you a better developer. And then if you have the time, you can also learn. You can also watch the three playlists. Yeah. Now, secondly, if the video quality is poor on your side, what you can do is simply open up the video and then come to this settings tab, go to quality, and then you can change it to 720p. But sometimes you can see HD. So if you see HD, select HD. Otherwise, just select 720p. And then the resolution is going to be better for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that once I drop a new video, you will get a notification. And then if you have any issues or any concern, drop it on the comment section and I'll be there to help you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.